A very great tune to one and all present here. Hello, I am Om Soranke. He is my friend Parth Masne and he is my friend Anuja Malkar. We all are here to represent our model whose name is train safety.
हमने बहुत बार देखा है कि लोग ज़्यादा ढाई की वजह से जो प्लेटफॉर्म है और जो रेलवे है उसके बीच के गैप में गिर के डेथ हो गई उनकी, तो इसलिए हमने उसके बेसिस पे ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है।
Material required for our project are: first, Arduino UNO board. It is a control unit of our project. Second, servo motor. Third, ultrasonic sensor. Fourth, metal plate.
So, we make this project by seeing our day-to-day life. We see that in some dense areas like Mumbai, the people are in too much hurry. They do too much rush on railway platforms. So to avoid that, they do something too much rush and they have less time for their jobs. So let this be a man. He will come like that and he will fall down on the area which is present between the platform and the railway route. So we settle an iron plate here, and when a train will pass from the train route, the iron plate will come upside and it is of 45 degree, and it will come upside when the sensor will sense that the train is coming. So this is a simple idea to save the lives of 13,000 people per day, and 39,000 people per month are died due to this. So when we do it at the project level, it is cost approx 1500 rupees. But if we do it at the real life as well as at the ground level, it will cost approx 15 lakh rupees on a real railway station. But I personally think that it is too much important for our railway stations to build a system like this, because 13,000 people is not a short amount, it is a huge amount, and their insurance money is also deposited. So instead of wasting that much money and lives of the people, I personally think that it is necessary to build like this system.
Thank you.
Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.